How to fix Google Play Books not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Play Books not working problem. So guys, for this you have to go to your mobile settings and then you have to go to install apps or app manager. I have installed apps, so I will go to install apps and then let me search for Google Play Books. Here is it. So I will click here and then guys you can see here force stop. Just click on force stop and you have to press OK, and then you have to click on storage, and then you have to click on storage and you have to just press on clear data and you have to clear all the data here. Now go back and then click on app permission and you have to allow this permission here. Now go back, restart your phone and reopen the application. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.